Hidden within the leaves are small arboreal snakes that terrify local farmers. Green pit vipers. They don't mean to harm humans. It's a byproduct of their incredible hunting prowess. They account for more snake bites than any other group in all of Southeast Asia. And they have another tag team cousin at work below. The Malayan Pit Viper. Its strategy is to bite immediately, injecting fast-acting hemotoxic venom, which causes severe pain, extensive necrosis, and massive internal bleedings. While its cousins, the green pit vipers, take care of the trees, the Malayan pit viper covers the ground, lying in wait for rodents and frogs. Its pointed, leaf-shaped head and mottled markings help it blend perfectly into the leaf litter. Invisible, so easy to step on.